Hi everyone, today I'll talk about the book How Many Sleeps Till Christmas by Mark Sperring. I'll give you a picture book review on how to use it to teach English to children, because this channel is one of the teaching resources for English. Why this particular picture book? Well, because Christmas is coming soon and we teachers are always in a search for some good Christmas classroom activities for kids. Hi, I'm Mia from Cool School, where we empower English teachers to effectively use English teaching methods, strategies, and materials for easy English through fun English games. Today, we will see how storytelling for kids using the picture book How Many Sleeps Till Christmas by Mark Sperring can make great content for later Christmas workshops. It is an easy story for English, for kids in English, for the oncoming Christmas holiday. And it can be at the same time a great warm-up for the classroom Christmas activities for kids. So let's first look at the picture book story. It's 4 days before Christmas and little Pip, baby grizzly bear, every day wakes up his dad and thinks it is Christmas. But it is not. And every day, Daddy Grizzly finds an activity that he can do with Pip to pass the day on and to be 1 day closer to Christmas. So they find the Christmas tree, they decorate the Christmas tree, they make Christmas cards, they deliver Christmas cards to their friends in the forest. Until the last day before Christmas, oh, I'm not going to tell you, let that be a surprise. But rest assured, it's a happy ending, and both Pip and his dad have a great Christmas. The links where you can buy the book are below in the description. It is really an easy story, and you can find all the basic vocabulary children can use during the Christmas time. Because of the basic vocabulary, and of course because of the familiar content, Christmas time, it is easy for children to help feel narrate the story while the teacher is doing the storytelling. The picture book has a structure that easily hooks and engages children into listening. And because of the repetitive dialogue, is it Christmas yet? No, it isn't. Children, with just a little bit of irritation, cooperate in the dialogue. There are these great moments in the story where children simply cooperate with you to count down the days before Christmas. And this way, they become consciously aware of the numbers and not just counting the numbers. In my opinion, this book is not a book that you can make a big project from it, but I rather see it as a warm-up activity where we prepare children to do Christmas workshops in the classroom in English, because the story introduces the activities children usually do with their parents before Christmas. And because of the familiarity, Christmas activities that we do in the classroom can easily be executed in our target language, which is English. So the next lesson, after the story time, you simply start with a Christmas workshop. So that much is about the book. In the next video, I'm going to show some of the activities that I did with my pupils in the classroom. Before you go, don't forget to press the like button. And if you'd like to learn more and get more ideas how to use children's books, picture books in the classroom, subscribe to my channel. See you at Christmas workshops. Bye!